pretty spry. He's light. He's coming out with some punches.
Watch this. Classic double leg takedown.
Travis is going for the takedown.
Yeah.
But
he's got it.
He's
got it. Put himself in. And now with a wrestler, Travis just took him out, which is exactly where Alex does not want to be.
He's pounding the head, but the kid...
yeah. He was able to shake him off. He was able to
but not far enough off.
Yeah.
And now he's in a shadow spot.
He's got some nice boxing footwork for a wrestler. He's got some good moves. That's why we shoot him trying to do a double leg takedown.
Well, he did.
Yeah, correct. And the wrestler showing a great sign of ground control skills.
Well, now he's got one leg, but he's doing heel kicks to the head, but
did a great job of avoiding that takedown.
He looks a little slight, though. He may not have the body weight.
What you need to do is, and it's dangerous when somebody's striking,
It's a guy, like you pointed out earlier, his hands out in a more of a defensive posture, looking for some type of commitment. Well, so far, nobody's willing to close.
But these hands really are not so much to finish. So that was not a bad
jab, and a jab, and he shoots in.
Very good.
Goes for a double leg takedown.
And he's
down and he's up again.
Now, Travis has an incredible disadvantage of the cut above his eyes. Yeah, Travis fights with his mind. He was using that.
Yeah, well.
Yeah, Travis is choosing to punish Louis Claus instead of trying to apply the submission. I wonder if he's crossing his feet down.
And I'll tell you something else, though. But he may be sending a message.
Federico had a point. If Travis is crossing his legs behind, there's a technique that you can use to break the opponent's ankle.
They stopped the match.
That's it. Travis are on your champion.
He couldn't take the punishment anymore.